I want to tell people about enclosed mobility scooters from what my customers have said. I always talk to customers and try to get their feedback, their input, their experience. So I have a customer from California, and she is getting the Ecolo Connect. She's already had one for a year. However, it looks the same on the outside, but it doesn't have AC and a list of other things. So one, we're really proud to be sending yet another Connect to California. She said that every single day people ask her about it, and that hasn't stopped in over a year. But where does she ride it? She does not ride it on the sidewalks. She rides it on the side of the road. And what she said, which was pretty interesting, is that she has to switch her thinking depending on where she's riding. If she has to take the sidewalk, very rare, she will be as slow as possible and be as cautious with pedestrians because people don't know what these things are. She always tries to take the side of the road and obviously the e-bike lane when it's wide enough for her. But she said that when you make a left-hand turn, you're then in traffic and sometimes you're going 3 lanes over. She's like, then I put on my, okay, I'm a car mode, because when you're in the left hand and you're making a left-hand turn, that's exactly the same as a vehicle. So she says that she changes her thinking and her approach depending on where she is. Also, I said, what about police? And she said that yes, she's been stopped a number of times from police, but not to give her a hard time. They wanted to know what it was. And she had no issues at all. I also get the sense that she's a very respectful, slow, cautious driver. And that's a basis that I've been saying forever, is that is no matter what kind of unit you're driving, if you're cautious and respectful, very demure in everything that you do when you're riding them, you're not going to have issues, period. And then the last thing she said, because she does have medical issues, it definitely can help if there are any questions. So I think that people are concerned about people losing their driver's license to alcohol, are then going to be driving these and then driving like idiots in them. It's a pretty small percentage. That's just I love to share feedback and share information, but this is again from California, USA. Has had this unit for well over a year, absolutely no issues. Oh, she did say she hit a car in a parking lot once, but she paid for it. She paid for the damage because it was her fault. So yeah, that's the video.